Self-belief: Virat Kohli's biggest strength that made him the uncrowned king of the world of cricket. A legend bowler said that in this day and age, if I have to bowl him, one would have been worried before bowling. A 19-year-old cricketer, he made his international debut on the 18th of August 2008. All eyes were on him. He had just started making his name from school cricket. He has been playing cricket with senior players since his childhood, because he believed that his fellow age players never get him out. From a young age, he wanted to win matches for his team, and the world saw its first glimpse on March 2, 2008. He led his team in Under-19 World Cup, defended the small total and won the Under-19 World Cup for his team. He had become the poster boy of Indian cricket after winning the Under-19 World Cup. After that, he got the IPL contract and he was discussing all around. After getting so much fame, he got detracted. He himself accepted that fact. He thought that he is wasting his time and he is deviating from his goal. He was deviating from that goal, which life has given him the biggest shock of his life, when on the 19th of December 2006. This was the date when his father passed away. At that time, he decided he will fulfill the wish of his father of becoming a cricketer. He got selected in the team, but his place was not sure in playing 11. He was dropped from the team in the span of 1.5 years. In an interview, he told, in those years, he was just thought about cricket to make a comeback in the team. He understood that not many people got the chance of playing cricket, so there is no point of losing this opportunity. He made his comeback in the team, and in 2009, he made his first century in one-day international. After that, he consistently performed well in the team and made his place in 2011 World Cup. Year 2012 was not good for him. He was not performing well with his bat, but he was in the news for the wrong reasons. Next test match was in Perth, and selectors wanted to drop him from the match. But Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virender Sehwag backed him. He was a top scorer in that test match, and in Adelaide Test, he scored his first test match century. A turning point came in Virat's career in a tri-series match against Sri Lanka. Indian team was chasing a huge total, and they chased it in 37 overs. He scored 100-odd runs in that match with a good strike rate. People saw this first time that while chasing, he is the biggest player. He transformed his fitness in a good way, and he became the fittest player of his team, which helped him to improve his game because his reflexes became quick, so he easily scored runs. He was scoring runs in cricket, but a year came when the Indian team played in England. He did not score runs in England. But in Australia, he scored huge runs for his team. Meanwhile, he became the test captain of Indian team. All world cricket fraternity became the fan of his aggressive style. He scored a massive amount of runs in cricket. He scored 4 centuries in IPL. He took his team to number 1 position. He reached at the highest point of his career. He was comparing with Sachin Tendulkar, but he always said it's unfair to compare him to Sachin. His bat was blazing runs in cricket. No one was near to him. This time, the Indian team had to play against England. This time, he scored runs in England, though India lost the series against England. On October 2018, he broke the record of Sachin of getting 10,000 runs in one day. In Australia, the Indian team won series under his captaincy. This is Virat's story, which showed that through self-belief, he became the match winner of this generation. InfoAir World. Worldwide information.